Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 update error, that is 0x80070057. So if you are receiving this error message, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run Windows Update Troubleshooter. For that, go to the Start menu, then click on the Settings, and then go to Update and Security, and then click on Troubleshoot, then click on Additional Troubleshooter. Find Windows Update and then click on Windows Update, then click on Run the Troubleshooter. And once the troubleshoot is done, restart your computer and try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now still you're facing the problem, then you can go ahead and run these commands. The commands are provided in the video description. So just make a right click on the Start menu and then click on Windows PowerShell Admin and then click on Yes to allow. Now on the PowerShell window, first of all run the first command, that is SFC /scannow, and then hit the enter key on the keyboard. And once the scan is 100% complete, then you run the second command. So once the command is complete, the first command is complete, open the PowerShell admin once again and then run the second command and then hit the enter key. And once this scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. So make sure that this is 100% and then restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. The next step is to restart Windows Update Service. For that, you can go ahead and type in Services in Windows search box and then click on Services. Find Windows Update in the list. So you can scroll down and find Windows Update and then make a double click on Windows Update and then make sure startup type is set to automatic and then click on Apply, click on OK and then make a right click on Windows Update and then click on Start or Restart. If Start is highlighted, click on Start, or you can go ahead and select it and then click on Restart the service on the top. And then you can go ahead and try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now this step has worked for many users, so it might work for you. So if you have any third-party antivirus program on your computer, make sure that you update your antivirus program. So in my case, I have McAfee. So if you have Bitdefender, Norton, or any third-party antivirus, go ahead and update your antivirus. So just check for the update and install the latest version of your antivirus program on your computer. And once the update is complete, restart your computer and then you can try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now still you are facing the error message, then you can go ahead and disable your antivirus program till the time you are updating your Windows 10. So you can go ahead and disable your antivirus program for some time. So you can go ahead and turn off and maybe till restart. So just disable your antivirus program and then you can go to Windows 10 settings and go ahead and try to update your Windows 10. Click on check for update and install the update. And once you are done updating your Windows 10, you can go ahead and enable your antivirus program once again. And this has worked for many users, so it might work for you. Now still you are facing the problem, then you can go ahead and update your Windows 10 using media creation tool. So you can copy this link and go to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link and then here you can see media creation tool. So click on download tool now. And once the exe file is downloaded, run this exe file. Then you will see this screen. Agree to the terms, click on accept. Then select the option which says upgrade this PC now. Then click on next. And it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take time. Now once the download is complete, now before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app will be checked over here. Now once this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Then you can click on install, and after the installation your Windows will be up to date and you should not receive this error message anymore. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.